This Budlab program has a new feature that allows me to have an annual report read back to me in certain sections. By clicking on this button, it pastes the annual report into a text box and highlights certain keywords like business, risk, competition, and shares. And then selecting certain paragraphs of interest, I can paste that into the clipboard and have it read to me using Microsoft's text-to-speech components. Here's an example now.
Our strategic imperatives, data, cloud, and engagement are fundamentally transforming the IT industry, the company, and our clients' businesses. The tremendous growth of data is redefining today's competitive advantage. With data as the world's new natural resource, it is fundamentally transforming industries and professions. Yet, as with all natural resources, only by refining data into actionable insights through analytics does it become valuable to the customer's business. Cloud computing, the delivery of IT and business processes as digital services, offers opportunities for enterprises to reinvent not just their operations, but their entire business model and approaches to innovation. Engagement, including mobile and social technologies, is profoundly changing how people interact and the way work gets done. Finally, these transformations are all supported and protected by high levels of security to ensure privacy and integrity of action. These three imperatives, data, cloud, and engagement, are the foundation of IBM's strategy today and its vision for the future. Failure of innovation initiatives could impact the long-term success of the company. IBM has been moving away from certain segments of the IT industry and into areas in which it can differentiate itself through innovation and by leveraging its investments in R&D. If IBM is unable to continue its cutting-edge innovation in a highly competitive environment, or is unable to commercialize such innovations, expand and scale them with sufficient speed, the company could fail in its ongoing efforts to maintain and increase its market share and its profit margins. In addition, IBM has one of the strongest brand names in the world, and its brand and overall reputation could be negatively impacted by many factors, including if the company does not continue to be recognized for its industry-leading technology and solutions. If the company's brand image is tarnished by negative perceptions, its ability to attract and retain customers could be impacted. This may be the best business book that describes the competitive advantages of profitable businesses. Moats describes the nature of 70 selected businesses purchased by Buffett and Munger for Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated. Moats is a very useful resource for investors, managers, and students of business. This book offers 5 sample intrinsic value per share business valuation estimations that were first performed in 2010. Done in a style that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger may use, these valuations are based on free cash flows each business produced. In each case presented, the author, Budlab, simulated an approach that Buffett and Munger might take to valuing a business based on what they have written and talked about. However, all of the growth assumptions used are Labatt's own. The 4 filters invention of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger examines each of the steps they perform in framing and making investment decisions. The author believes that Buffett and Munger expanded the field of behavioral finance by using this thoughtful and effective process. The genius of Buffett and Munger's 4 filters process was to capture all the important stakeholders in their decision-making.